Hi guys, we haven't done a caravan update in a little while, so I thought I would do a quick video run through now. I should warn you, the place is an absolute bomb site because it is a work in progress. So here we are through the door. On our left we have Nathan working on the 12-volt system at the moment. So he's installing our Redarc battery management system, and we've got 2 batteries down there under our seating area, and there'll be 2 Redarc solar panels on the roof to keep everything charged up. Over this side is where our bunks are going to be. So we're going to have 2 bunks here that go all the way to the ceiling. And obviously for Rose and Ryan. And then over here we'll have our kitchen. So it's going to go between these 2 little walls we've popped up. It will just be an ordinary kitchen bench height. There'll be a 12-volt fridge down here, a cooker with a grill and a sink, and hopefully lots of storage space for all of our stuff. And then there'll be another storage cabinet up the top here as well. And there'll be a matching storage cabinet on this side above the seating area. Or there's a battery management system going in there. So it's a bit hard to see the seating area at the moment, but it will be here. And we'll have a fold down table so it's not there permanently. So hopefully that'll save a bit of space. Over here's our site supervisor, working very hard there, as you can see. And where she is at the moment is essentially where our toilet's going to be. So we'll have a double bed in here for Nathan and I. That's going to lift up and have storage underneath. And then the toilet will go through a slot in the side here, so it's easily accessible without having to lift the bed up. Some storage cabinets up there. I'm painting the front of those hopefully today. And I've just about finished all the curtains. I've got one more lot that I'm doing as we speak inside. So I think that's pretty much it. So we've still got a ways to go. The floors are done underneath there, and so are all the walls. And we're slowly working on it.